For us, the week started with AMIX. This one started running in pre-market on Tuesday. It made a 100% move really quickly. So we took a look at the daily chart. When you look at its daily chart, you can see there was a clear rejection at the $7.25 level a couple of days ago. When you mark the level, you can see it used this level first as strong support. It bounced multiple times from it, and the stock only started really dying once it lost it. The next level we can mark is the $9.87 level. It used it as support for 3 times. And after losing it, it never broke it once. When we go back to the 1-minute chart, we can see that the first resistance level already acts as strong resistance. So we know this will be our level to watch out for. Once it breaks this level, we get in. At market open, it went up again, but bounced once more exactly from the resistance level. This only shows us more how strong this level is. 2 hours later, it broke the level, so we got in. It went straight to the next resistance level for an almost 30% move. Here it rejected. Now we have 2 possible re-entry levels. The first option is that it starts going down more and goes back down to the first resistance level, which should act as a support level now. The second option is that it immediately goes higher and breaks the second resistance level. We only needed to wait a few minutes before finding out that option 2 would become reality. It broke the second resistance level, so we got in again. It kept going up almost all day long and almost hit $25 at the end of the day. This second entry gave us a more than 100% move. The second and last stock we played this week was YXT. This one started running Wednesday pre-market. Just like Amex, we're going to start this by looking at its daily chart. You can immediately spot a really strong resistance level which it hasn't broken for more than a year, the $11.50 level. Once it lost this level, it rejected 4 times from it before starting going down even more. Then when we zoom out, we can spot another resistance level, or better called, a resistance zone. Before it lost the $11.50 level, it consolidated for quite some time before going down further. The bottom of consolidation phase we mark, because this was used as strong support and even as resistance after. We mark this as a zone and not as a specific level because it didn't bounce from one specific level. All the bounces were from the zone. Now we go back to the 1-minute chart. You can see it exactly rejected the first resistance level after its first move. This confirmed the strength of this level. An hour later, it did exactly the same. It rejected from the level again. We just need to wait till it breaks the level. After market open, it went back up and finally broke the level, so we got in. It went really quickly after some halts to the resistance zone where it rejected, and we sold for more than 60%. Just like we told you when playing Amex, we got 2 options now. It needs to break the resistance zone, or it needs to come back down to the first resistance level, which should now act as support. In this case, it retraced and came back down to the $11.50 level. Here we re-entered. It went back up and came really close to the resistance zone again. Here we sold some, not all because we want it to break the zone and explode. After we sold some for a nice 60% again, it once again retraced back to the first resistance level. Here we added back some more to get the value of our original position back. This time, after some consolidation inside the resistance zone, it really exploded. This explosive move gave us a more than 160% move this time. Do you see how by just marking 2 levels on the daily on both the stock charts, we just made such big profits? Hopefully you learned something, and we've helped you in any way further in your trading career. Keep your eyes open, mark your levels, use all this knowledge and make some money. See you hopefully next time. Bye.